and you put it out that somebody had said that to you, right? Or somebody referred it to you.
Someone had commented. Yes.
Commented, okay, and so on social media.
This happened on social
Right.
media. Yeah.
And I also put out a post for you because
Yeah, I saw that. Thank
I
you.
wanted people to also understand it wasn't just about being called a name which people have think is derogatory, which doesn't mean anything because it's a profession, but the association and the opportunities that people get and don't get, right? So, and I'm going to go back into history, and we talk about that a little bit because history की बात हो रही थी कि opportunities नहीं थी. There were a lot of people who converted to Christianity because again वो caste system था. Your grandfather was a Brahmin, okay, but a lot of the people who converted wanted to be
Weren't.
equal, whether
Yeah.
they converted to Islam, because Islam also gives you that equal, it doesn't matter what color you are, there's no caste system there. So a lot of them converted. However, because आप जब एक ब्राह्मण होते थे या तो you were people would give you more respect, and when you were the untouchable, you were given less respect, and you were given jobs also in that category.
Yeah.
Which was cleaning houses.
Less than jobs,
right.
yeah.
So a lot of the community found itself in that position where they didn't have the opportunity. It's like when I sit and जब कुछ transgenders we've had on the show also, पर उनसे बात करती हूँ तो उनकी lack of opportunity जो है उनको hire नहीं किया जाता, okay, just because of the gender.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sadly.
and it doesn't just happen because of religion. It happens because of its culture. It's just awful culture that we go through, that we are put into those categories.
Yeah.
And if it's the same for women, why do you get 35% less for the same job that a man
is
gets?
doing.
Right?
Yeah, I
Because
agree.
you're a woman.
Yeah.
So you're a lesser human being, or you have less of
You're
a brain.
inferior just
You're
because,
inferior.
yeah.
So I think a lot of it has to do with the opportunities also. So you didn't have the opportunity, and then unless you, like, mashallah, and the Anglo-Indians didn't have that. They had more opportunities.
Yeah.
Why? Again, because their fathers were Goras.
Yeah.
And they had whiter skin. So
yeah.
they had better jobs or whatever. Am I right? Am I going in the right direction?
Yeah, I
here?
think you are.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
it's definitely, it all really comes down to that.
Yeah.
This, like, we other people based on external things.
External things,
Right?
Yeah. And again, I think you're absolutely right. You have to work very hard. You have to work harder.
Yeah.
When you are downtrodden and you're discriminated against. Women have to work harder, right?
Yeah.
Right? I mean, you have to.
That's so true.
You know, that
It's like
you
you're
have
speaking
to.
to my soul right now.
It's the fact. We have to work harder
yeah.
to be seen.
And you know what? I'm done not saying these things.
Yeah.
Like, I'm done, like, beating
Yeah.
around the bush or sweeping things under
Yeah.
the rug. And a lot of times my parents also tell me, like, don't say too much. And I'm just like, no, I'm done I'm done not saying too much.
Yeah.
When do things change? They
Yeah.
change when you start conversations like these, right? No, I may not know everything, and I don't. And I'm not saying all the right things either, but I'm starting a conversation with you
Yes.
in hopes that someone will listen to us talking about this, and maybe they'll go and do a little research on their own कि ये सही बात भी कर रही है कि गलत बात कर रही है,
Right.
या ये क्या बात कर रही है, ये ऐसे क्यों बोल रही है.
हाँ,
You know?
मैं चाहती हूँ कि तुम उर्दू में बात करो ताकि
बिल्कुल.
ज़्यादा लोगों को समझ आए
बिल्कुल.
और उन तक पहुँचे ये बात. बिकॉज हमारे इंस्टाग्राम के कोई 18 मिलियन लोग हैं और काफ़ी उनमें से भी अंग्रेज़ी सबको भी नहीं आती, लेकिन जब तुमने बात की थी तो तुम्हें सपोर्ट मिली थी.
बिल्कुल मिली
राइट.
थी.
मगर वो कौन सा तबका है? वो एक एजुकेटेड तबका है. राइट. एंड उनसे तुम्हें सपोर्ट मिल रही है, वो तुम्हारी बातें सुन रहे हैं और वो भी तुम्हारे से अग्री भी करते हैं. लेकिन आई थिंक हमसे सबसे बड़ी बात जो इससे निकलती है, वेदर इट्स रिलीजन और बिकॉज ऑफ कलर और बिकॉज ऑफ जेंडर or because of your physical attributes or whatever. You could be short, you could be thin, you could be fat, you could be really tall. Even tall people, very tall people get discriminated against. Am I right?
Even
लोग
people who are
मजाक
really
उड़ाते हैं.
thin,
लोगों को-
like you get skinny shamed.
हाँ, everything.
Right?
There's a
Everything
shame
is a problem.
problem.
Like,
Yeah,
it's-
because and
Yeah.
it's also culture ना, क्योंकि आपने एक perfection का एक mold बनाया हुआ है,
Standard
बारबी
बना
doll
दिया
बना
beauty
दी
का,
है, बारबी
बिल्कुल,
doll और
बिल्कुल।
Ken बना दी है, and that's the thing. So I think ये बातें करनी बहुत ज़रूरी हैं और मैं फिर भी कहती हूँ कि हर रिलीजन को आपको रिस्पेक्ट करना पड़ता है,
बिल्कुल।
लेकिन बहुत सी चीज़ें बहुत सी गड़बड़ें होती हैं बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ नॉलेज बहुत ज़रूरी है और इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. एनीवे, सो व्हेन यू वर पुटिंग दैट पोस्ट आउट, राइट, दैट टू मी इज़ where you've gotten the most attention. Am I right? Yeah, nahi.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah?
Like from just random strangers.
Right.
Like, I mean, I was, so I'll tell you, right? I saw that comment and I laughed at first because I think एक defense mechanism भी होती है ना
Yes.
inbuilt. Like, बचपन से सुनती भी आ रही हूँ ऐसी चीज़ें. So
Okay,
it
let's
was,
talk about that बचपन से सुनती हुई आ
Okay.
रही हूँ.